In the last 30 days, this AI side hustle paid me $7,624. No followers, no clients, just me and AI. It's a simple 3-step system. AI creates the product, a marketplace sells it for me, and I get paid like this. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I did step by step, the exact AI side hustle I used, the free AI tools I used to create the product, the marketplace that pays me every time someone buys it, and the 100% free traffic method that sends buyers to it. I'll also show you the 3 mistakes that almost killed this $7,624 month. Miss these, and you'll probably make zero. Everywhere you look right now, people are shouting, AI is printing money. But when you dig deeper, no real proof, or it's some complicated system a beginner could never follow. I wanted the opposite, something you can run from home with free AI tools, no coding, no design degree, and once it's live, it doesn't need you every single day. Here's the exact model I used. The side hustle is insanely simple. AI creates kids' coloring pages. I bundle them into a printable PDF. I upload it to a marketplace with millions of buyers. Every time someone buys it, I get paid. And the product is almost stupid simple. Black and white coloring pages for kids. Cute animals, dinosaurs, cars, unicorns. No fancy design, no brand, no crazy tech. Just pages kids can color. Here's the secret most people miss. Parents are not buying perfect art. They're buying 3 things. Something that keeps their kids busy, something that's cheap enough to not think twice, something that looks cute enough to print at home. That's it. Busy, cheap, cute. If it checks those 3 boxes, it sells. And the best part, the marketplace I'm about to show you already has the traffic. Now let me break down exactly how I set this up, step by step. Step 1 was choosing the right niche and idea. And instead of guessing, I let AI do the hard part. I didn't spend days scrolling through marketplaces trying to figure out what might work. I opened up ChatGPT and made it tell me what to sell. I literally typed something like this. You will find all prompts used in the description below. So just copy and paste, then hit enter. And in a few seconds, ChatGPT gave me a ranked list of niche ideas. It literally suggested things like busy cars and trucks coloring books for boys ages 4 to 8. And it explained why each one was a good opportunity. I didn't overthink it. I picked one niche that looks simple, cute, and easy to turn into AI coloring pages. That one idea became the product that ended up making $7,624 in 30 days. So that's step 1. Don't guess the niche. Let AI hand you 10 options and choose one. Next, in step 2, I'll show you how I turn that niche into actual coloring pages using free AI tools, plus the exact prompts you can copy. I already had my niche locked in. Now I need a full 50-page story coloring book, plus a cover page that actually stands out and gets clicks. Instead of writing 51 different prompts by hand, I used one master prompt that you will also find in the description below and let AI do the heavy lifting. I pasted that into ChatGPT, got my cover prompt plus 50 story prompts, and now it's time to turn them into real images using a free tool called LM Arena AI. To access it, sign up for free account login, then open a new chat and click on the image icon to start creating images. Here's the trick I use to keep the character looking the same on every page. First, I take the page 1 prompt and paste it into LM Arena AI. I generated the first image. Once I like how the character looks, I click on Edit Image inside LM Arena AI. Then I paste the prompt for page 2 and generate again. Because I'm editing the previous image instead of starting from scratch, LM Arena AI keeps the character almost identical, but adds a small twist in the pose and background. Then I repeat, Edit Image, paste page 3 prompt, generate and download P, all the way from page 1 to page 50. And just so you understand why I'm using LM Arena AI for this isn't just some random free image generator. LM Arena AI is honestly the best AI image tool I've ever used for this side hustle. Here's what makes it crazy powerful. Instead of locking you into one model, LM Arena is like a battle arena for AI. Behind the scenes, it lets you test multiple top-tier models, the same level of quality you'd expect from tools like Nano Banana Pro or even Midjourney. People all over the world are constantly generating images, voting, and ranking which models look the best. So over time, LM Arena basically crowdsources the winners for you. So at that point, all I'm really doing is feeding in the prompts, letting LM Arena work its magic, and downloading the finished pages one by one. And I end up with eye-catching cover image, 50 story-based coloring pages into one. All are consistent, cute, and ready to turn into a printable PDF you can sell on any marketplace anywhere. Next, in step 3, I'll show you how I take these images into Canva, clean them up, lay them out in order, add the title to the cover, and export a pro-looking PDF that's ready to sell. All right, now that we've got our 1 cover image and 50 story coloring pages from LM Arena, it's time to turn them into a clean, professional PDF that's ready to sell on any marketplace, anywhere. We're going to do this inside Canva, and I'll walk you through every click. First, head over to Canva and click on Create a Design. Choose Custom Size and set it to width 8.5 inches and height 11 inches. Now, here's where a lot of beginners get confused. Canva might show you options like mailing book, journal, or sketchbook. Ignore all of those. We don't want any of those presets. We just want a simple blank 8.5 by 11 inch page. So click Create New Design with the blank canvas. Now let's fill the page with your AI image the right way. On the left side in Canva, click Uploads, then click on your first coloring page and drag it onto the blank 8.5 by 11 page. At first, it'll probably drop in too small, sitting in the middle of the page. That's normal. Click the image once so you see the little white dots on the corners. Grab one of the corner dots, click, and drag outward to make the image bigger. Here's the simple rule. You do want the drawing to be big and easy to color. You don't want the important parts touching the very edge of the page. So stretch it until there's a clean white border all the way around, about a finger width of white space on each side. To center it perfectly, click on Position at the top and choose Center and Middle. That snaps the coloring page right into the middle so it looks professional. Now at the bottom, click Add Page, then drag in your next coloring page and repeat the exact same process. Drag it in, grab the corner, stretch it up, leave a clean white border. Click Position, choose Center and Middle. Once you get into a rhythm, each page takes like 10 to 15 seconds, and in a few minutes, you'll have a full 50-page book ready to go. For the cover page, you can go a little closer to the edges because covers are usually full bleed. Drag your cover image in, stretch it so it fills almost the entire page, then add your title text on top. Just make sure no important text is sitting right on the very edge. Keep it pulled in slightly. Once all your pages are in place and your cover looks good, we're going to download this as a high-quality PDF. In the top right, click Share, then Download. Change the file type to PDF Print. If you see an option for crop marks and bleed, turn that on. Then click Download, and Canva will give you one single PDF with all your pages in order. That's the version you'll upload to your marketplace so it can start making you money. Now that we've got our PDF ready, the next question is, where do you actually sell this so it can make money for you on autopilot? There are a bunch of places you could sell simple PDFs. Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, your own website, but for this specific type of kids coloring book, Amazon KDP has been the clear winner for me. Here's why. When you list on most platforms, you're responsible for almost everything. You have to drive the traffic, pay on each upload, build the audience, run the ads, and hope people find you. With Amazon KDP, you're putting your book on the biggest buying platform on the planet. Millions of parents are already searching there every single day for kids' activity books, coloring books, and learning books. So instead of trying to convince people to come to you, you're just placing your book in front of traffic that already exists and is already in buying mode. That's why I focus my AI coloring books on KDP over Etsy and the others. The built-in traffic is insane if you know how to tap into it. Now, if you want your book to actually rank and show up in front of those buyers, three things matter the most. Number one, your cover page. This is your thumbnail. If your cover doesn't grab attention, nobody clicks. Make sure it's bright, fun, and clearly shows it's a kid's coloring book. Cute character, big bold title, and clear age range if you're targeting one. Number two, your description. Most people are lazy here and just write one or two boring lines. Instead, you want a strong, keyword-rich description that actually sells the book. Who it's for, what's inside, how many pages, what makes it different. This is your search ranking weapon. A catchy, clear book title that includes what parents are actually searching for will decide whether your book gets found or buried. Think something like Cute Animal Coloring Book for Kids ages 3 to 5. It's clear, searchable, and instantly tells buyers what it is. The good news? You don't have to guess any of this. You can literally open ChatGPT, paste a master prompt under the same hat we used earlier. Also, this prompt you will find in the same description below, and let it generate all three for you. A catchy title and subtitle for your cover, a powerful keyword-rich description, a list of viral, high-intent keywords parents are already searching for. So your job is not to be a copywriting expert. Your job is to give ChatGPT very clear instructions, what your book is about, who it's for, and what kind of keywords you want to show up for. Once you've got your cover, your title, your description, and your keywords ready, joining KDP is simple. Just go to Amazon KDP, create a free account, and upload the PDF you created in Canva. Use the strong title, description, and keywords that ChatGPT gave you, set your price, and publish. From there, Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting. They handle the traffic, the delivery, and the payments, and you just focus on creating more books that hit that busy, cheap, cute, sweet spot for parents. Now, before you hit publish, here are 3 quick mistakes that almost killed this $7,624 month, so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, going too broad. Kids coloring book is way too generic. Parents search for specific themes and ages, like cute animals coloring book for toddlers or unicorn coloring book for girls ages 4 to 8. Always make a specific book for a specific kid and parent. Mistake number 2, weak cover. Your cover is your click-through rate. If it's dull or cluttered, parents scroll past you. Keep it simple. Big readable title, one clear cute character, bright colors, and no tiny messy text. Mistake number 3, upload and ignore. Don't just throw it up and hope. Watch what sells, tweak your price and description, and then make more books in the same style once you see a winner. That's how this turns into real monthly income. So if you avoid those 3 mistakes, too broad, weak cover, and upload and pray, you're already ahead of most beginners. Now, if you want me to do a full Amazon KDP step-by-step video from account setup to hitting publish on your first book, type the word KDP in the comments below. If enough of you comment KDP, I'll record a dedicated walkthrough and show you my exact settings, screenshots, and a live upload. And if you want to go even deeper right now, I've got the perfect next video for you. First, watch my other AI side hustle video where I break down how I made my first few $1,000s selling simple AI PDF coloring books. That will give you the full backstory and more examples you can copy. Then, watch the video where I show you how to get free traffic and buyers for your books using simple strategies you can set up in a weekend. Both of those are linked on screen and in the description below. Click one of those now, keep the momentum going, and I'll see you in the next video.